In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get back the Threads badge to your Instagram account. You can simply remove or show your Threads badge on your Instagram profile in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button right here. You will see the option of Show Threads Badge. Enable this option on. Your Threads badge will get back to your profile page successfully. You can also remove the badge at any time. If failed to get back, just refresh your Instagram. It will definitely appear on your profile page. That's how easy it is to get back your Threads badge back to your Instagram profile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.